Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use hotlink protection on SiteGround. I just tap on my Safari browser. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And after logging in, how to set up hotlink protection. To enable hotlink protection for the desired file types, add the following links and lines in the htxx file for your website. And after, you will have to note that the hotlink protection will not work with nginx direct delivery enable, so you can disable it from your site tool speed caching. So after this procedure, if your hotlink protection does not work, try to following these steps. Rename the htaccess file in your public html and directory to your htaccess. This will disable all custom redirect rules and redirections. Add again your hotlink protection and it will be working. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.